Rolled out of bed at 6 a.m. with coffee going cold. Pulled on my platform like I do, did what I was told. Waited on the setup, let the weak hands make their move. By 9:15 I was already locked into the groove. One clean trade, I tipped my hat and shut the laptop down. Notification hit my phone before I left for town. Boys been laughing at me trading micros from my drive. Wait till they see what just landed in my account at 5. Mama said, boy, what are you doing on the screen all day? Daddy said, son, and future's gonna blow your cash away. Well, I kept my rules tight, kept my head down, kept the faith. And tonight the whole damn county's gonna hear what I made. Funded and free, yeah, I told you so. Truck running loud down the county road. Play out hit, boys, the drinks are on me. Funded and free, funded and free. They said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud. And I'm living it loud. Yeah, pulled up to the bonfire with a grin from ear to ear. Everybody asking why I'm smiling, nice together here. See, I've been up before the sunrise while you're hitting snooze, learning how to lose right, so I know how not to lose. Black shirt, club, been in my corner since the very start. VWAP on my chart and discipline locked in my heart. 3 trays daily, walk away, protect what you built up. And tonight we're pouring every drop into this cup. They said the market's rigged, said the house always wins, said retail traders lose it all, so don't you dare begin. Well, somebody forgot to tell my account that little tale, cause the payout just came through and boys, it's off the rails. Funded and free, yeah, I told you so. Truck running loud down the county road. Payout hit, boys, the drinks are on me. Funded and free, funded and free. They said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud. You know what's funny? The same people who told me to quit are the first ones texting asking how I did it. I don't even answer anymore. I just sent them a screenshot and let the numbers do the talking. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it ain't about the money, well, it's a little about the money, but it's more about the morning that I proved it to myself. Sitting at the kitchen table while the family's still sleeping, building something real instead of leaving it on the shelf. Why believe in me when the account was underwater? Kids don't know the details, but they know that daddy tried. And now we're all together at this bonfire in the backyard, and I finally feel the weight lift off my chest with pride. Funded and free,
yeah, I told you so. Truck running loud down the county road. Payout hit, boys, the drinks are on me.
Funded and free, funded and free. They said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud.
Funded and free,
Told you so. 3 accounts deep, and we're just getting started.